Focus. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nay. So today, while we're in quarantine, my room is a mess. So I have fresh laundry, towels, all my makeup and like hair products and like things I bought off Amazon and stuff, and like it's just a mess. So I decided to bring y'all along with me while I clean up today. I got some videos I'm about to film, so I need to get it tidy in here. How many of y'all like these type of videos? Like, I like them, but like they're satisfying to me. So let's get started. Let me play my music or whatever. Hello. And let's get started.
You're not trying too hard.
You know that I got a crush on you.
Is it gonna be? Is it you and me? I'm waiting patiently. Let's go, come on, baby, let's go. What's it gonna be? Is it you and me? I'm waiting patiently. Let's go, come on, baby, let's go.
You know that I got a crush on
you. I'm finally done cleaning my room. 1 whole hour later, I'm done cleaning my room. Let me show y'all the finished product. Look at my dresser. She is sanitized. I'm leaving that out because I'm doing a try on haul later. I'm gonna completely redo my room, by the way, so ignore the ugly decor because it's in the process. But yeah, we are done because this is as clean as it's gonna get. I'm sweating, it's hot, and I still got more stuff to film. But yeah, this is it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment if you made it this far, and let me know what you're doing during quarantine to keep busy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.